Biggest trend I see kind of evolving in the big data space right now is really real time. Is this shift from batch to real time, to streaming, which is really what we focus here at Confluent about, is how do we get information to where you want it, when you need it, and bring those insights that you derive from big data to your operations, to your sales, to your customer interactions in a way that helps you kind of deliver a better quality of service to your end customers. So there's a few trends that are happening that are all converging together for big data and for just how people work with information. One of them is the emergence of cloud. Like, everyone is getting cloud and moving to cloud, but what that kind of brings some good things with it, very good things about cost and scale and flexibility, but it also means that data is more distributed than it's ever been. And so in the past we tried to put all our data in one place, but in the cloud the data automatically is already distributed. So the same mechanisms we used in the past don't really work as well, you know, now. And so like that's been the big shift. If you think about big data 10 years ago, that would have been like Hadoop and things like that. It was about distributed storage. Well, all cloud storage is distributed, so that part of the problem is gone, and now it's again about distributed processing and distributed compute. So those are some big trends. You can definitely see a clear delineation between two categories of companies. One is leaning into what's emerging as like the data mesh idea. They know what is going on, they know where things are, they're able to react quickly. The other set of companies is kind of stuck in the data mess idea, which there's just stuff everywhere and they don't know what's going on, and it's really hard to deal with. I was talking to a customer this week that mentioned having 300,000 batch jobs running in their environment, and I just couldn't even understand how they wrap their head around that. Like, I don't know how you make sense out of something like that. We've been pretty big on helping people put data in motion, on making Kafka be easy to use. Kafka is a great open source tool. Like a lot of open source tools, it's kind of hard to run, especially in the cloud. So we've worked very hard on making that very smooth, including recently upgrading our SLA to 4 nines, so you can use it like a utility. You don't have to worry if it's going to work. It's going to be there like the electricity in your home. We have also really tried to make our onboarding process as smooth and easy as possible. You sign up for Confluent Cloud with no credit card, try it for free, it's totally riskless. Your account will just shut down when you run out of credits. And so give it a try, works on all 3 cloud providers. You can get it through the marketplaces of those clouds or directly from us, confluent.cloud. Big Data London's been very successful for Confluent over the years. We've been here several times, and very senior people from our company come every year, and it's actually been really busy this year, so it's good to be back in person again and having all these interactions. And so yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think Confluent gets a lot out of it because we are part of the big data space. We're not necessarily the traditional piece that people think of, but we're an integral part of it. So it's great to be here with the other parts of the ecosystem.